In this video, you will learn best practices on how to install yellow angle heads from Kitagawa Northtech. Loosely install the positioning block on the spindle face. Make certain to orient the spindle and lock it. Manually install the angle head with orientation notch in correct position and pin engaging the positioning block. Carefully tighten the set screws on the orientation ring without causing it to move off location. Check that the orientation key lies in the middle of the orientation ring, ensuring the proper pin compression and block thickness. Tap the positioning block to ensure proper pin positioning and block location. Secure the bolts holding the block in place. Confirm the smooth, quiet rotation of the angle head. Yellow angle head installation video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos on Kitagawa Northtech's YouTube channel.